How can technology ensure learning continuity, both in organizations and institutions? Learning is a continuous process, and there is no end to it. This video talks about how technology-centered ecosystems can be used to ensure learning continuity. Number 1. Engaging virtual learning platforms. The pandemic has led to the emergence of virtual learning platforms that offer outcome-oriented courses and modules. These platforms are role-based and can be easily adopted by organizations looking for continuity in tech learning and higher education. Number 2. Tech labs for every reason and season. Need-based tech labs have become a reality with the help of scalable APIs. Industries are now mandated to embrace technology-aided, continuous learning tools to keep up with the competition. Number 3. Hands-on tech skilling. Learning tech skills through real-world scenarios is crucial. A cloud-based lab environment enables learners to apply what they have learned, and immediate feedback helps them to self-assess and improve. A virtual sandbox environment helps developers in problem-solving and debugging without disturbing the live system. Number 4. Immersive learning using technology. The use of virtual reality in classrooms improves the learning experience, especially in remote learning. It reduces training cost, increases reach, and offers scalability and pay for what you use options. Number 5. Learning disruption. The COVID-19 pandemic initially disrupted the learning environment, but it has also provided an opportunity to improve the existing system with newer methods and pedagogies. The hybrid model of continuous learning within organizations and in higher education is here to stay, and virtual labs and elite tech infrastructure are essential to meeting the present needs.